I want to say, really, I appreciate you taking the time out of your morning to come learn about taxes and trust. And really, we have some excellent speakers lined up today.
On January 2nd, 2019, a trust law was promulgated by royal decree aiming to set out rules and procedures to establish, register, manage, and control 4 types of trusts, which are commercial, public, social, and personal. But to be honest, I think trusts are a little bit of a mystery, at least to me. And today I hope to have these expert speakers unravel this mystery because I think these are going to be very important instruments for the market.
This workshop is aimed to instill confidence among investors to use Cambodia Trust, especially in the real sector, and provide insight into the regional taxation trend on how a trust is taxed. Trust law was adopted and promulgated on 2nd January 2019, introducing a new concept to Cambodia legal system. This new legislation provides a basic framework for the creation of trust in Cambodia, regulating the establishment, registration, management, and control of trust.
Can a trustee be a foreigner? Yes. So a trustee can be a Cambodian national or a foreigner. And a trustee can be natural person or legal person. Same for a trustee, can be a natural person or legal person. So most of the reason that a trust can be ended, it can be defined in the term of the trust agreement, which give the party flexibility and freedom to define under what circumstances that the trust can be ended.
Trust originated in England when landowners used to have to go and fight for the king. So I would take the land and whatever other assets I wanted and transfer them to someone I trusted. In a trust situation, you're actually giving title. You're actually transferring it into the name of someone else, but they don't have complete ownership. They have only partial ownership. And that ownership, anything they do with that property has to be for the benefit of the beneficiaries.
So now I'd like to invite the speakers and panelists to the panel discussion.
When I saw this new law on trust, I was very intrigued as to how that was going to be interpreted in the Cambodian context.
So for us, yeah, as I say, it's just it's a positive step. And whilst there still seems to be a number of questions about how they will be managed, we're looking forward to them being established here in Cambodia.
With this kind of system, investors can feel at ease, no matter it's the buyers or sellers, feel at ease using this kind of structure and then invest in Cambodia safely. Yes.
I got many questions already from the private sector. If I got a license as a trustee, what can I concern that what kind of tax I need to pay? They count it as my asset already because the land or the building title to me, to my company. So it's hard.
We're gonna read the law, but I really want to know what do you do, because there's no law here related to trust and the taxation. I guess this is the ethical things that we're looking at right now. Is what do you normally do? I'm really curious to understand.
Okay. So when they sign the contract with us, they need to transfer the title to us. So this one we have to pay the 4% tax. Of course, we pay. We charge from the truster.
Everybody, thank you very much. Thanks to the regulator. Please, thank you very much for coming. This is very important when you have these discussions that you have government in the room to get their position and explain. So everybody have a good day, have a good lunch. Thank you very much.